Alright, so the first step in making this construction I'm going to do is I'm going to take my straight edge and I am just going to make a line near the bottom but not too far to the bottom. So I'm just going to make a line, nice straight line. Alright, I'm going to add my arrows to it. Now on this line I'm just going to make one dot really close to the left hand side and another dot a little further away from it. Alright, the reason I'm going to do that is to make a right angle, you got to bisect a segment. So we bisect a segment, what happens is it becomes a perpendicular bisector, meaning we're going to make right angles. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my compass and start on my left point. I'm going to open up my compass so it's a little bit more than 50%. Alright, so that's about 75%. I recommend about 75%. And I'm going to make an arc above and an arc below. Without changing this setting, I'm going to do the same thing on the other dot, above and below. These arcs intersection make a point, and then I'm going to take my straight edge and connect the dots. Making sure my line goes through both of them all the way up and down. And boom. Alright, so that is step 1.